welcome back to my channel. I'm Porshap, and today this video will be explaining how I met my husband. I got my lovely husband right here.
Hello, YouTube.
So today's video is going to be talking and explaining, and we're going to be asking each other questions on how we met and how newlywed been going for both of us. So if you're interested in watching how I met my husband, stay tuned. Alright, let's jump right into this video on how me and my lovely husband met. So I got a few questions on my phone and it's going to be explaining on how we met. So question number 1, how we met.
First met, we both worked at a convenience store. And I seen you, and I was shy. I said, oh, look at her smile, look at her, I don't even know who she is. And I think we both quit. I quit first. We got tired of the job. And I quit first. And I guess later on she quit, but I thought I never was going to see her again.
You tell me this story every time.
I never was going to see her again. I was hurt. I kept her in my mind. I said about 2 years later.
Remember you was telling your friend?
I was my close friend. And we were driving. I said, this one person, bro, if I ever see her again, I can't mess up. I gotta get her. Somehow, some magic sprinkled on me somewhere. I don't know how. I ran it. I was going to Walmart, do some shopping. I think for some cleaning stuff. I don't know what it was, but I was doing some shopping, and I happened to turn my head. Guess who I seen?
So when he ran into me again the second time from 2 years back, I really didn't even know who he was. So when he tried to stop me, I was like, who is you? Like, what is going on? I'm trying to leave, and he like, wait. Oh.
Hey, my phone in here. Hey. Couldn't let her get away with it.
And what happened after that?
I smooth talked to, got the digits, you know.
Got the digits. Gave him a chance.
Went on a couple dates, and the rest is history. That's how it started. We went on a couple dates, and we got closer.
We was having fun too. We had a lot of fun.
Had a lot of fun. Yeah. Been places, went out to eat, got to know each other more, got closer, you know. Started meeting each other's families slowly, but we still met each other's family. And then had a little rocky ups and downs.
Always. Any relationship got ups and downs.
But we needed that because it showed us how we really love each other and we really put up for each other. And you know, it's not about giving up, it's about learning and growing with it.
Question number 2. How long we been dating before we tied the knot? We was dating in a relationship.
We tried the date thing, but we got started liking each other for years. I don't know how long we was dating.
Wasn't it like all together like 3 years?
We was on that tip together. We weren't dating for 3 years. We was on a date.
But we was in a relationship.
Yeah.
So the date and relationship kind of like the same. So what? About 3 years?
Yeah.
It'll be 3. Well,
we started dating, then we made the title boyfriend girlfriend, then we definitely got married. But during the boyfriend girlfriend, we had times, so we still had more good times together.
Okay. All right. Number 3. How many kids we had?
We have 2 kids. One biological is mine. My son is Zayden. He's only 9 months. He's about to be 9 months. And we have lovely Samantha, the young princess. That's about to be 11. And that's my wife's first kid.
Yep. So that's how many kids we have. We got 2 kids. Number 4. What's our signs? I'm a Diva Aquarius.
Number 1, Capricorn. We got the best people.
And I'm Diva Aquarius. And actually, our birthdays is actually both in January, and our birthdays is actually also 6 days apart.
6 days. So we bump heads a little bit, but we still got a strong love for each other. We know.
We do.
We irritate each other. But at the end of the day, that's what we gotta do.
How old are we? Since our birthdays are coming up in January, I'll be lovely 33.
Bird, 33.
33.
I'll be 32. She rocking the cradle.
Hey, I look good.
1 year apart.
We're 1 year apart, but yeah. As you can see, we're looking healthy, we feel healthy, and we're living our best life. How is marriage life going? So, we are basically happy newlyweds. We tied the knot. We eloped on October 1st, which that's our marriage date. And hubby, how marriage life been going so far?
It's going good. We actually feel the same. We just have to just do the right thing. We do it. You know, we love each other, so we knew it was time to get married.
What would you tell everyone if they're thinking about eloping or getting married? And what would you tell people?
First, make sure. Well, it's not really no order. It's just how you gotta have it all bottled in one. But make sure you're best friends with that person. Make sure
you're on the same level.
On the same level.
be
Just spiritually, mentally, physically, just the same level. Just and you would know though. You got that good.
You will feel it in your heart.
You would know.
Cause you're gonna hit rock. We hit rock bottom at some point in our relationship. We was like, I'm done with you. This is it. And then somehow we always like got back together. So you might hit rock bottom and you think that's the end of it, and then you know God will probably say, nope, that's not it. I'm hitting you rock bottom because I know y'all got potential. Last but not least, my husband is my motivator. I've been thinking about doing YouTube for a long time. As you can see, I'm finally getting my hands into it. I'm starting from the ground, rock bottom actually. So my husband been lifting my spirits up, motivating me to make these videos and motivating me to talk positive and bring out the best in me. And I give him a lot of credit because without him, I probably would never started my YouTube channel. And yeah, my husband is a big part of my life, and that's how I met my husband. So if you're interested in watching this video, please give us a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for watching. Bye.